Vice Principal, Academic Coordinator, then Member Coordinator of IQAC, Honorable Chairman of the Governing Council, and staff members, students, all present brothers and sisters of this particular institution. At the outset, I must thank the NAC authority for giving me an opportunity to be amongst you. When I came to this Assam part, I came to know that there are two beauties. Beauty over the earth, that is in the form of green tea, it is green beauty. There is black beauty under the earth, that is in the form of coal and particularly coal and oil. So we are propagating, we three, NAC authority, ourselves, everybody is propagating for third beauty, and that third beauty is of quality. Beauty of quality, that is essential. In all our institutions, we struggle for it. We are after that beauty of quality. Actually, we hear the words all the time, smartness, smart. What is smart? Smart personality, smart classroom, smart everything. What is smart actually? In my opinion, smart is like this. Smart means S stands for specific. Everybody has to follow that. Specific, that is smart, yes. M is measurable. We want to be measurable. How much you are done in 5 years, how much you are done in 1 year, how much you are done in your during life period, that is measurable. Then next is A is achievable. A is achievable. How do you achieve it? How much you achieve it? So that is achievable. Next mark you have relevant. R is relevant. You have to just update yourself. You have to act locally but think globally, and according to that you have to achieve and relevant. You should be relevant. And last one and very important, it is time bound. Success comes to those who work in time and to the point. These two words are very important, in time and to the point. That is the thing. So all these things you bear in mind. These two beauties are with you. Third beauty you have to acquire, and you have to give to all other your constituents. Your principal is dynamic, management is dynamic, everybody is dynamic, staff members are dynamic. Only thing is willpower. We are having two mobiles. We are having two mobiles. Remember, these are not found in any shop. These are with us. Mind mobile and brain mobile. If you charge these two mobiles very well, mind mobile and this particular brain mobile, that charger is with you. That is willpower charger. Your willpower should be strong. With that, if you charge these two mobiles, mind mobile and brain mobile, everything is possible. So I just give you these words. Our chairman sir, Tandon sir have told you too much. I am giving you last this particular part. You plan yourself daily. Everybody, student, teacher, everybody must plan. We, chairman sir, Tandon sir, myself, we are planning since from the 5 o'clock, not here, in our places also. From 5 or half an hour planning should be there with you. 5 to 30, 5:30, 5:30 to 6, say 8 to 9 in that way, and you act accordingly. If you act accordingly, plan, vision, that is institutional level, that thing is there, but individual level also that is important, and that gives you success for working in time and to the point. Lastly, I shall tell you one, I am a mathematics person, so I shall give simple constructed example of mathematics, and it will be useful for your also, for your further progress also. What happened, you know, Banwasis were there, 3 Banwasis. I shall tell you in Hindi. 3 बनवासी थे, वो 3 बनवासी पिछले 500 साल पहले, 1000 साल पहले, वो 3 बनवासी बनवास में रहते थे। ये तीनों के पास पिकॉक्स थे, मोर बोलते हैं ना, पिकॉक्स, वो पिकॉक्स थे। वो पिकॉक्स 17 पिकॉक्स थे, और 3 ब्रदर्स आपस में झगड़ा कर रहे थे, अपने को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करके लेना। तो पहला भाई बोला मेरे को आधे पिकॉक्स चाहिए, दूसरा भाई बोला मेरे को 1/3 चाहिए, तीसरा भाई बोला मेरे को 1/9 चलेगा, मगर 17 का हाफ कैसा करना? So there was a problem. So there was a person going from there. He was having mind. वो मनवासी था, वनवासी भी था, मगर मनवास भी था, उसका अंतःकरण था, उसको हार्ट था। वो वनवास में रहता था, मगर माइंड के साथ रहता था, हार्ट फीलिंग के साथ रहता था। वो मनवासी वहां से जा रहा था, उसके पास भी एक पीकॉक था। उनके पास गया, क्या होगा बोले, तो बोले हम 17 मोर है, हमको डिवाइड करना है, ऐसा हो रहा है, डिवाइड नहीं हो रहा, 17 में से आधे कैसे करना, 8.5 कैसे करना? तो बोला ठीक है मैं कर दूंगा। बोला he was so confident. So everybody should be confident in this way. And उन्होंने अपना जो मोर था अपने पास का वो 17 मोर भी छोड़ दिया, 18 मोर हो गए. वो बड़े भाई को बोला कितना होना तेरे को, तो बोला आधे होना. तो 18 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 9 मोर 9 पिकॉक्स बड़े भाई को दे दिया. दूसरा बराबर को 1/3 चाहिए, सो 18 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 6 मोर 6 पिकॉक्स दूसरे भाई को दिया. तीसरा भाई बराबर को 9 पार्ट मिलेगा, तो 18 डिवाइडेड बाय 9 इट इज 2. सो थर्ड भाई को 2 मोर दे दिए. तो पहले को 9 दे दिए, दूसरे को 6 मोर दे दिए, तीसरे को 2 मोर दे दिए. 9 6 15 और 2 17 मोर भाई के भाई को दे दिए. अपना जो मोर था अपना मोर अपने पास लेके फिर चला गया. Person, I have constructed this example for such occasions. Our chairman sir, our Tandon sir and myself, we are having also 3 peacocks in our mind. We have thrown those 3 peacocks in you in last 3 days. There is no struggle amongst you. Remember, there is no division. किसको बांट के देने के लिए हम नहीं आए थे, मगर हर एक के पास एक पिकॉक है मन का. वो मन का पिकॉक जागृत करने के लिए, उसको जरा चेतना देने के लिए हम आए. वो चेतना से आप भी जहाँ भी जाएंगे अपना मन का मोर वहाँ छोड़ दीजिए. झगड़ा हो या ना हो, पर अपने पास जो है, हमारे संत रामदास जी महाराष्ट्र में, वो उनका स्नेह ऐसा है, जो आपने को मालूम है वो सबको बताओ और सबको शाना कर दो, शाना सा वाइज कर दो, सबको जागृत कर दो. इस टाइप से वो सेंट रामदास वेरी पावरफुल, ही इज गुरु ऑफ शिवाजी. सो उन्होंने ये बोला था, जे अपना से ठावे ते इतराशी सांगावे, शहाणे करावे सकळ जन. So everybody knows everything, but in time that should be implemented. So I wish best luck to principal, his team, staff members, management, everybody. Thank you very much.